Your job is no longer your career. For most of modern history, your career was one thing: one company, one title, one income source. That model is starting to collapse. The future is fragmented. The next generation of professionals won't survive through a single job. They'll survive through portfolios, not stock portfolios, economic portfolios. Multiple systems, multiple streams, multiple identities, a salary, a digital product, a monetized audience, AI assisted freelance work, automated income systems, small streams combined into economic stability. The single income era is ending. The industrial economy rewarded specialization. You picked a lane, stayed loyal, climbed slowly. That worked when companies needed humans for scale. AI changes that equation. Companies now want flexibility. Modern companies increasingly want smaller teams, temporary specialists, contractors, AI assisted workers, variable labor costs. Stability for the company often means instability for the employee. Your risk is concentrated. If one company controls your income, your health care, your schedule, your future, then your entire economic life depends on one decision maker. That's concentration risk. The new model looks different. The future professional may have a primary job, consulting income, a YouTube channel, AI generated products, affiliate income, digital assets, automated systems. Not because it's trendy, because it's safer. Your skills are now modular. AI is turning skills into modular building blocks: writing, design, research, editing, marketing, analysis. Individuals can now combine capabilities that once required entire departments. One person can operate like a small company. With AI tools, one person can publish content, design products, automate workflows, build systems, market globally. The barrier between employee and business is disappearing. Your career may split into layers. Your future income may come from layers: a stable layer, a growth layer, an ownership layer, salary, cash flow, assets. This is what modern economic resilience looks like. Small streams become powerful together. One small income stream won't replace a salary, but 5 connected systems might, especially when AI reduces operating costs close to zero. Stop thinking like a job title. The old economy trained people to build identities around titles: manager, designer, engineer, analyst. The new economy rewards adaptability instead. Think like an operator. Operators ask different questions. What can I build? What can I automate? What can I own? What can continue earning without constant labor? That mindset compounds. The goal isn't more work. This isn't about working nonstop. It's about reducing dependency. The strongest position is having multiple options. Optionality is the new security. In the old world, security came from loyalty. In the new world, security comes from optionality, the ability to pivot, adapt, redirect income, rebuild quickly. Careers are becoming economic ecosystems. The future won't be, what do you do? It'll be, what systems do you operate? The people who adapt early win big. Right now, most people still think in old categories: job, resume, promotion, retirement. Meanwhile, a new class of people is quietly building economic ecosystems around themselves. The shift is still early. That's the opportunity. Most people won't recognize this transition until instability forces them to. By then, they'll be reacting, not positioning. Build before you're forced to. The best time to build a personal economy is before you desperately need one, before layoffs, before disruption, before dependency becomes dangerous. Your career is becoming a portfolio, not one employer, not one identity, not one income source. The future belongs to people who build systems instead of depending on them. I really hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like and click on the bell so you get notified whenever we publish a new video. Thanks for watching.